In a thrilling race that unfolded on a challenging mountainous road amidst heavy rain, the Volkswagen Golf R32, Seat Leon, and Audi A3 RS embarked on an epic battle for supremacy. The competitors and their loyal drivers were determined to conquer the treacherous terrain and emerge as the victor of this grueling race. As the rain poured relentlessly, the three cars revved their engines, waiting eagerly for the race to commence. The Golf R32, known for its powerful performance and precise handling, exuded an air of confidence. The Seat Leon, with its sleek design and agile nature, radiated an aura of determination. The Audi A3 RS, with its renowned engineering and cutting-edge technology, seemed poised for a strong showing. With the sound of the starter's pistol, the race began, and the three cars surged forward, battling the slippery road and reduced visibility caused by the rain. The Golf R32 quickly took the lead, utilizing its exceptional traction and superior grip to navigate the sharp turns and uphill climbs. Its driver skillfully maneuvered through the challenging conditions, maintaining a steady pace. The Seat Leon, however, was not to be underestimated. It swiftly caught up to the Golf R32, showcasing its nimbleness and responsive handling. The driver expertly controlled the car, utilizing every ounce of its power to push through the rainy course. The Leon's determination was evident as it relentlessly pursued the Golf, inching closer with each passing curve. Meanwhile, the Audi A3 RS, with its potent engine and all-wheel drive system, unleashed its full potential. The driver carefully assessed the road ahead, anticipating the unpredictable twists and turns. The A3 RS showcased its dynamic capabilities, effortlessly tackling the rain-soaked corners and accelerating with precision. As the race unfolded, the mountainous terrain proved to be a true test of skill and endurance. The rain continued to pour, making the road even more treacherous. Each car faced its own challenges and pushed its limits to the edge. The Golf R32 exhibited its stability and resilience, the Seat Leon displayed its agility and tenacity, and the Audi A3 RS demonstrated its power and finesse. In the final stretch, with the finish line in sight, the outcome remained uncertain. The Golf R32, Seat Leon, and Audi A3 RS continued to battle fiercely, their engines roaring through the rainy mountain road. As the cars crossed the finish line, the winner emerged, a breathtaking sight that left spectators in awe. The triumphant car that conquered the demanding race was the Audi A3 RS. Its remarkable combination of power, advanced technology, and skillful driving led it to victory. The A3 RS driver had harnessed the car's capabilities to perfection, conquering the challenging road and weather conditions with unmatched precision. Although the Golf R32 and Seat Leon had put up a valiant fight, it was the Audi A3 RS that reigned supreme on that rainy mountain road. This epic race would be remembered as a testament to the prowess of these three remarkable vehicles and the skills of their drivers. The victory of the Audi A3 RS in the intense race sent shockwaves through the automotive community. It was a testament to the combination of engineering excellence and exceptional driving skills that propelled the A3 RS to triumph over its worthy adversaries. The driver of the Audi A3 RS, celebrated for their unwavering focus and precise control, emerged as a legend in the world of racing. Their ability to harness the car's power and seamlessly navigate the challenging road conditions earned them accolades from fellow enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Golf R32 and Seat Leon drivers, though disappointed by their defeat, were gracious in their acknowledgement of the Audi A3 RS victory. They recognized the remarkable performance of their competitor and the skills demonstrated by the victorious driver. The race had forged a sense of camaraderie among the three competitors, a shared respect for the prowess of their machines and the passion that fueled their love for racing. News of the remarkable race spread far and wide, captivating the imaginations of automotive enthusiasts across the globe. The rainy mountain road became legendary, whispered about in racing circles as a supreme test of skill and endurance. It inspired many aspiring drivers to hone their abilities and dream of conquering such a challenging course. Manufacturers took note of the race's impact and the performance of the three cars involved. The Volkswagen Golf 4R32, Seat Leon, and Audi A3 RS gained even more recognition, their reputations solidified as formidable contenders in the automotive world. Car enthusiasts eagerly awaited the next generation of these models, hoping for even greater advancements in technology, power, and handling. In the years that followed, the rainy mountain road continued to host races and attract thrill-seekers from around the world. It became a mecca for those seeking the ultimate test of skill and a chance to experience the adrenaline rush of conquering its twists and turns. The legacy of that epic race, where the Audi A3 RS emerged victorious, lived on as a symbol of triumph against adversity and a celebration of automotive excellence. And so, the story of the great long race between the Volkswagen Golf 4R32, Seat Leon, and Audi A3 RS etched itself into the annals of racing history. It served as a reminder that in the world of motorsport, where challenges abound, it is the fusion of man and machine, skill and engineering, that ultimately determines the winner. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and leave a comment.